Hey guys, welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of some phones I bought off of eBay. Can't remember the exact price of it, but it wasn't too bad. It is a big phone lot as well. It's pretty interesting, to be honest. I don't think they have chargers or anything of that, so there's an owner's manual for 3100. So here's the first one. It's pink. Sanyo SCP 3100 with the blue back cover, and the rest of the phone is pink. Here's another one that says bad on it. Has a battery. And as well, let's see if it has any power. Have a micro USB LG charger. Here's a phone I was wanting out of it. It's a Samsung SPH M something, I think. M220. It is dead. It's in somewhat decent shape. It's kind of nasty, but something we can't clean up. Another 3100 in pink. Here is the MM 8200 in silver. It's dead as well. LG on track phone, which is probably the charger is actually from. LG 440G, the GSM phone. LG Sprint device. LG LX1, I guess it's 1200 right there. And it's probably going to be dead. Let's see, dropped in water. Another 3100. We got a Sanyo charger, which is nice to have. We got a blue 3100. I guess, I mean, it doesn't probably matter to anybody probably now, but. And then another 3100 in poor shape. So, yep, there's a little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.